Hello, good morning, guys. It's me again, Edwin Villasa Black. It's another you day. It's another you Black. Yeah, merong dati ng apps. They call it Wealth Simple. You can submit ka ng tax return mo through these apps, and you just do your information there. Just type whatever you have there information. So ako meron na akong account about there, and then they show you just follow all those. Yeah, that's it. See, I have return already. Nagsubmit na already ako ng 2025 tax title ko. So ayan, medyo magandang aking tax return. Medyo mataas din ang aking refund. So, mas maganda kung here, you can see that if you want to import, ililink niya sa CRA yung account mo if you have account in CRA. So, automatic ilalagay niya doon sa mga yung mga informations mo. So just now, i-review mo lang kung tama lahat yung mga naka-link sa CRA mo. If you have this one, if you have yung income tax mo, yung mga rooms dyan, check mo lang from your T4. And if you have CPP, just review mo lang sa CPP mo kung tama ang nakalink doon sa CRA mo. And then after that, if you finish all your information, check all those questions, just check all your questions. Tapos, kung okay naman, i-review mo siya, na okay naman siya, na-review mo siya at natama lahat ang informations na nakalink sa CRA mo at sa T4 mo. And then, you can click to submit. Yeah. Isasubmit mo na yung tax return mo from CRA. So, after a minute, you can receive from your email that you submit already from CRA. And then after a minute, makaka-receive ka rin ng email from CRA that na-receive niya na-receive nila yung sinubmit mong CRA, sinubmit mong tax for 25 tax filing mo. And that's it. And then you wait for whatever they said, a week or 10 days or 5 days, that you receive whatever you have, the refunds. Luckily, I have a good refund. So, thank you so much. It's nice na meron namang bayad din to or donation. There's a basic plan. Basic plan is like a donation, whatever you want to donate. Ako binayad ko lang is $25 is the lowest. But you have much complicated tax filing, i-guide kila to upgrade. I don't know how much is if it is upgrade. So, yun lang. It's much cheaper than when you go to the, mga sa HR Plus, yung mga ganyan. Doon the lowest is $55 na yata. And that's it. Thank you so much.